This is UK Garage. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can get access to any video at all that I post into this channel. Thank you that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is drum brake, but the issue is I had a defective braking system, so I decided to trace from the front all over to the back here. So I began to trace from the front, checking the pipes, the lines, if I'll find any leakage or the pipe got bent. I couldn't find anything like that. Anytime when you press the paddle, you see the paddle is hard. The paddle can't go down, so I trace it all over from the front to the back. And then I found out that the wheel cylinder are seized inside. The piston are seized inside. It doesn't move. Whenever you press the paddle, it doesn't move. It is stuck. So we decided to change. So we do some experiments in the checkup that to prove that it's seized, it's stuck. You see, you can see the fluid is coming. That means, which means this cylinder, this cylinder has got spoiled, just stuck inside. So we change it, and that's